Hi, Mark Fraser, Edwards Garage. I got a great little car here I wanted to show you folks at home. It's a 2017 Chevy Cruze. It comes with the RS Sport package, so you get some ground effects with that package. It's got the 1.4 liter turbocharged engine, so you get some good get up and go, and you also get the advantage of fuel economy with the small engine. Inside we've got the Bose sound system. We've got a touchscreen radio, we've got cruise control, we've got heated seats. We've got lots of great options in here. On the safety side, we've got the backup camera, and believe it or not, we've got 10 airbags built into this, so it's very safe. It's keyless entry, push button start. It's got the power trunk release. And on the inset there, I'll show you just how big that trunk is. It's lots of space in there. So this is a great little car for a small family or possibly a student. It's got lots of warranty left on it. A great little car to get into. We've got it priced just right, just under 15,000, and kilometers are just over 21K. So great little car. Come down and test drive it at Edwards Garage or give me a call, 403-845-3328.